welcome all of you. Myself Vishnu. I'm the CEO of Black and Decker. Black and Decker manufacturing company was founded in September 1910 as a small machine shop. The founder of Black and Decker manufacturing company are S. Duncan Black and Alonzo A. Decker. In 1912, the Black of Decker hexagon logo symbol was introduced. In 1917, the first factory was opened in Towson, Maryland. In 1919, company reaches 10 billion US dollar in sales. In 1949, first Black of Decker US trademark were awarded. In 1984, acquired small appliances business from General Electric Company. In 2014, rebranded our company Black and Decker to Black Plus Decker. In 2016, the revenue was 1,141 crores. There are 27,000 employees were working in Black Plus Decker. Is there any problem in inventory system in our company?
Yes, sir. We are having problem in inventory system and we are rectifying it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. We have problem in our inventory system, so find the problem as soon as possible.
Yes, ma'am. We are going through it. We will let you know after finding the solution.
Okay, as we have only 9 weeks to start the schedule work, I want you to find within the given schedule.
Okay, ma'am. If once we find out the problem, we will let you know.
Okay, you can go ahead.
We have some problem in our inventory system.
Yes, we can't find the inventory in our warehouse. For finding the valuation of stock, we need more time.
This will affect the real-time opportunities in our organization, isn't it?
Yes, of course it will affect. And for the measuring of stock, if any inquiry about our material, we can't give an accurate answer, whether the stock is available or not.
For solving this, we have to change our system and bring our system into a systematic way, isn't it?
Yes, it is necessary for our inventory control as well as the cost effectiveness.
Which means our problem is we are still in the existing system, so we need to modernize our inventory system.
Yes, you are correct. There are many modernized systems have come. We have to buy the software according to our problem.
So let us select the vendor fits our company best.
But all the vendors are not created equal. Each has their own approach, methodology, and offerings.
We must determine if their offerings fit our needs.
There are many like Oracle's, IFS, Microsoft, and QAD.
Analyzing all this, QAD will be the right packages and provide a flexible, dependable, and a low risk to manage.
Package, the MFG Pro software will be applicable for our organization. Let us discuss with CEO and then we can go ahead.
Did you find the problem in the inventory system?
Yes, ma'am. The problem is we can't find the inventory in our warehouse within the time. So we can't say the accurate answer whether the stock is available or not. For finding the valuation of stock, we need more time.
Okay, then what is the solution for this problem?
We have to change our inventory system into a modernized one so that we have analyzed a software called QAD. QAD is a software especially designed for manufacturing companies. In QAD package, the MFG Pro ERP software will be applicable for our organization.
How much time is allotted for the implementation?
We are seeing to complete the project in a quick completion, but you need to consider the time limit.
Okay, as I said earlier, try to finish and start within the scheduled work.
Okay, ma'am.
How does the MFG Pro software helps to rectify our problem?
The MFG Pro software is an enterprise resource planning which helps manufacturing companies to streamline their operations using APICS principles.
Okay, what other services do they provide?
They provide services that real-time analysis, customer management, supply chain management solutions for international finance solutions for integration, and ERP system for manufacturers.
Does ERP software work with the existing software?
Regardless of the solutions we chosen, our ERP solutions must working with the same solution that we use today.
Okay. Where would you like our ERP software deployed?
We could probably write an entire new ebook on the cloud if you want cloud solution.
Do you need the current data to be imported?
Yes, ma'am. It should be imported as a huge impact on the success of our implementation. The key is to find the right balance to migrate enough data to make the system useful.
Okay. How will you choose the project team?
Ma'am, once we have selected the project manager, we will build a core team. Each major functional area will need to be worked at by understanding the business process of our internal issues, and we can train them, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Fine. What benefits do you hope to gain from the MFG Pro software?
Benefits to our organization that faster operation and fewer errors, streamlined user interface, ability to print human and machine readable location labels, and faster payback within 7 months.
Okay. You can go ahead with the implementation process.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, we can structure the software development project by choosing the team structure relevant for our project, where the implementation team should have the functional head of various departments, should work together to implement the MFG Pro.
Yes, we have to build small teams. We should all work out to implement the ERP software and also in the project planning phase. We have to plan about the time management.
Yes, you are right. We have to analyze gap between the ERP package and the company's requirement.
The MFG Pro software is added with a local value added seller that creates the link to the barcoding hardware.
But we have only 9 weeks timeline to install this software.
We can try our best to implement before our time scheduled.
As we tried for 6 weeks, it looked like project will delay.
But the only solution is to install this MFG Pro software. So I have spoken to developer today afternoon from the Intermec Technologies Corporation.
That's good. What did the developer say?
I asked about the delay. He said that there is an hardware called Connect SIP for MFG Pro, and it is easy to install.
Okay, we can redesign the existing process where we have to consider the ERP have a cost cutting tool. Here, every human factor are taken into account. You have to take the changes of employee according to this package. Shall we go ahead with process of installing hardware?
Before entering into that, we should test the real case scenario, which is like multiple user login at the same time and the same query.
Yes, this real case scenario should be tested and the work should be fixed.
It is great that we are in the final state of the implementation, and we will be installing this software by this evening 5 o'clock.
Yes, I'm so glad that our implementation is going to be successful.
How the implementation process is going?
Ma'am, we are in the final stage of implementation, ma'am. By this evening 5 o'clock, the software will be installed.
Wow, that's great. Sounds good.
Hi guys, it's 17th May 2021. In 3 seconds, the ERP system, the new ERP system MFG Pro 7.3 is going alive. Let's start with the countdown.
3,
2,
1.
1.
We provide support to the software users. Also, we help them in many situations. Like employees were really rebellious, but we handled it smoothly. We talked with employees and at last everything was solved. After the implementation of MFG Pro, we arrange our inventory system more efficiently.